There's a 16th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 16 gives you a function, and then it gives you the x-intercept 0, a0, the y-intercept is 0b. It's looking for the value of a plus b. Easiest way to do this, plug it into Desmos. Your x-intercept you can see is -7. If you zoom out, you can see your y-intercept is 28. 28 plus -7, what do we get? We get 21. To see the full-length video, including a number of different ways to approach this question, check us out on YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. If you go to the playlist, the longer videos are just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.